Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about psychological level in gold, how to plot a psychological level in gold. My other video I talk about how to plot a psychological level on forest, but today I'm going to talk about how to you can actually plot a psychological level on a gold. You can see now that this is a gold, and I've already plotted this psychological level. This is a psychological level, and pay attention because I'm going to delete everything to show you how to do it from the scratch so that you will know how to plot a good psychological level. This is a good psychological level you are seeing right now. So let me show you something here. If you look at here, you can see that if you mark this place right now from this point to this point, you will notice that this thing is what is 50 pips. Is 50 pips. So this thing is 50 pips. So if you mark this place again, from this place to this place is also 50 pips, just 50 pips. You can see 50 pips is here, so they are all 50 pips, so they are all equal. So from here right now, let's say that I plot from here right now. Let me just let me go back and let me just plot it from here. Let's say that I plot it from here. You can see that this place is what 100 pips. So they are all equal. And before I begin to tell you about start plotting it and delete this one, let us go and let us see what is psychological level is all about. So psychological level in forest are significant random number price point. Example 1.00, 1.25, 1. You will find this kind of a thing on a like the other one I did this was it was on a GBP USD. I think it's the one that have this kind of 1.25. But if you look at gold, you can see that the gold start with whole number then point, but other place like GBP USD starts with 1 point this one. But I'm going to show you how to. If you are not watching the video, search it on this trading view of my post content that I already posted on idea, and you will find it guys and watch it for if you are trading like GBP USD. So but today we are talking about gold because a lot of people don't know how to plot this. So if you look at this thing now, so let's finish this one. He said that it's a random price point that acts as a what natural high interest support and resistance area driven by human psychology and institutional order. Those levels often cause price reversal, breakout, or consolidation due to fear, greed, and easy to recall. So, why psychological level? Psychological level, if you want to, let me give you an example. If you want to go and price a car, or you are yes, you go to price a car. Let's say that the seller of the car will tell you something like 1 million, 1 million naira or $1 million. You as a buyer, you will not go and be pricing the car like let me buy it like 879 dollar or 832 dollar. It's not human like it doesn't look like it doesn't make sense in the human psychology. So you as a this thing, we know that you can price it. Let me just buy it $800,000 or 800,000 naira, or let me just buy it 850,000. So you are now going with what doing it with what in like 50 random number, whole number, or something like that. So you will not go and be pricing it like let me buy it just let me buy it um $421,000 or 933 dollars. That's it doesn't make I don't know if you understand this. So I'm just trying to make a sense here. So this thing also apply on the forex. So when people are trading, they are trading on psychological level, and that psychological level pay what? It pay very, very people usually pay attention on that psychological level. So that is what it means here, a whole number. A whole number. Just make sure that you understand this. Make sure that you are what? You are like you understand this thing, a whole number, a significant random whole number. So now that we understand what is psychological level, so this is why we are plotting it. If you look at here, we plot what? Gold usually have a difference of what? 5. I notice it, but if you look at like on GBPUSD, you have like a 500, all those things. But you understand it low. Why this one? You can see that look at this one now. Let me just view it. Let me just click it so that we can see what you can see. This you say that 5170, right? This is a whole number, 5170,000. You can see. So the next one here we plotted is what? Five. The next one we plotted here is what? 5175. You can see what I'm saying. It is different of 5 here, 000. You can see another one we plotted here should be what? 51880. That is 5180. You can see it, 518000. So you can see that they are increasing 555. I hope that now that you can able to do that. So now let's delete this thing right now. I'm going to delete all of them right now. Let's remove all the drawing so that I can start building it from. So I'm using 1 minute here. So right now, how do you build it? You will go and say, let's say now, we say, we will find where did the price normally, where is the price now is currently is now. So where the price currently is now, what is nearest psychological level? The nearest psychological level right now is what? 5170. This is where we are going to plot it. Then we are going to make sure that we correct it here. 5170. This is how gold is. So this is how to plot gold. What you can see is already here, 5170. Then you say okay. Then if you are going up, we are going to be increasing it by 5. If you are going down, we are going to decreasing it by what? 5. So right now, let's say we want to go down, then it will be what? 5165. This is where we are going to place it. Don't worry where you are, anywhere you place it is okay. Just when you click it, then you can edit. Then you can see that this one should be what? 5165 point. Make sure it is what? 00. So 5165 00. You can see. So this is, so let's check whether this thing is what? Is actually 50 pips. If it's not 50 pips, that means you are wrong. We are wrong. You can see it is 50 pips. 50 pips, guys. So that means we are correct. So right now, we are going to remember, we are going down. We are going down. So we are minusing by 5. Then this one should be 5160. 5160. 51 what? 60. Not 59. You can see 5160. I hope you're understanding this. If you do not understand, you can pause this video and see what I'm doing, because I want you guys to understand this thing very, very well. So you can see it. Then the next one here should be what? 5155. 51 what? 55, because we are going down, guys. We are going down. I'm also going to place the other one up so that we will see how it increased by 5. So make sure you just place it like that. So right now, let's go up. This one is 5170. The next one is going to be here is what? 5175, right? Because it is now up. So 5175. Let's 5175. We are going to correct it. 5175. You can see. So you can see right now that if you look at this thing, from here to here is 100 pips. If you mark this place right now, from here right now to here is what? 100 pips. 100 pips. So how do you trade this, guys? You can decide as a trader that when the price reaches, you can see that price reacted at this psychological level. I'm using 1 minute here so that it can be shown, because if you are using like higher time frame, it's going to be it's going to squeeze. So that's why I'm using 1 minute here. So you can decide that when the price reach to this level, you can actually enter here. Then You can check what the price pattern here, like what is price pattern here, like which the price reacted at this zone. You can check, you can use any of your form of strategy. Let's say that when the price reacted this place, you can see this place that form M. You can use it at when the price reacted at this place, you can use it at target like 50 pips, 100 pips. You can target 100 pip profit, then 50 pips stop loss. Let me just mark this place again. This one is 55. The next one should be what? 50, 51, 50. Let's mark 51, 50. I hope you understand this. So you as a trader can decide this is a nice strategy, guys. You can actually build on a psychological level. So you can see, so price reacted at this zone, and after the price reacted at this zone, e go up, come down again, though it didn't meet this one. So you as a trader can decide, what will I do if the price reacted at this zone? I can buy. Then if the price reacted at this, you can target like 100 pips. You can target like 100 pips, or you look at here, say that if the price reacted at this zone, you can enter here and go up, target like 100 what pips and 50 pips stop loss. You can see, so 50 pips what stop loss. Let's say that you meet this place on time, price come here and you say let me buy here, and you bought at this place and target 100 pips, you are already on your 100 pips, guys. So this is what you have to try again. So you can see here, you can actually see here, though this place is not going to be 100% like it's not going to be 100%, like it's not going to be profits 100%. Let's say that we say that we want to target 100 pips here and set 50 pips here. Let's say we want to sell. You can see that this place did not meet our what 100 pips. It didn't reach what 100 pips. That means you lost. So that to show you that what I'm showing you is clear, to show you that is not everything is not going to be winning. But if you are using money management and this thing, you are going to win. So let's say now that we lose here, then you come and target this place again, 100 pips. You can see you target this place, you can see that you reach here 100 pips, you have reached your what 100 pips. So I'm showing you the reality here. I'm not trying to sugarcoat something here, just to show you. Let's say now that we want to buy here again. So this is the strategy we need to backtest. Let's say that we want to buy this place here. We want to buy this place here. That we want to buy this place. Let's say this place, and make our stop loss 50 pips and target what 100 pips. You can see that we are in the gain. So it depends on how you want to do it, guys. It depends on how you want to. You can decide, say that I will be targeting 50 pips instead of 100 pips. That is up to you. You will be saying that I will be targeting what um um let's say 150 pips or 200 pips. That is up to you. So you can even say I'll be risking 200 pips, 100 pips to get what 100 pips. That is up to you, guys. So it is now left for you to understand. Once you understand psychological level, you can actually trade it. This is where the banks, they are playing more attention here. Why I'm showing you psychological level is for you to know where psychological level is. So I'm just trying to show you what psychological level is all about and how you can be able to trade it. And I'm also giving you how you can be able to form your own strategy. I'm not giving you a direct strategy because it's not what is going to work for me might not work for you guys. So, but I'm giving you everything clearly so that you can see everything clearly on your own and able to understand what is work for you. So I hope that this video is okay for you guys, and I hope that you learn something from it. So this is just how to trade what psychological level, and that's what I wanted to share with you guys. So um if you have any question, you can comment. Guys. Let's see your question or what you have to, anything you want to say. Drop it on a comment below so that we can ask a question. Anything you want to ask, guys, you can contribution. So that's what I want to show you for psychological level in gold, guys, and that is for today, guys. So I will see you in my next video.